What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Utah and we are going to the biggest car show of the year. So let's roll that intro and let's get into it. That is right. Today we are going to Supercars at the stadium. It is one of the biggest car shows of the year. There's going to be hundreds of supercars there. It's going to be so cool. We're shutting down the Utah State University stadium and we're packing it full of supercars. So back down here in Utah, we're going to get the X3 all washed up because first we're going to be going on a cruise to the stadium. So we're going to be meeting up with a ton of friends and can't show up in a dirty car. So we just did the 4-hour drive from Idaho. So we're going to get this all washed up and then we're going to go meet up with a couple friends and then we're going to cruise down to the stadium. So let's get the X3 all washed up and let's get going. I'm not sure if you noticed, got some t-shirts made up with my logo on it finally. I'm debating on if I wanted to put them up for sale or not, so maybe you let me know if you want a t-shirt with my logo, if you kind of like how it looks. Comment down below, and maybe if I get enough interest, I'll make some of these and put them out there for you guys to pick up. So let's get this thing washed up. So we got the car all washed up. Don't have any towels to dry it off, so let's get driving and seeing if we can just air dry it a little bit. So, that sounds good in here. All right, let's give it a little baby rev in here. That's not too bad. Let's get out of here. We're gonna go for a cruise. I got a Shelby GT350 right here. This thing is sick. I got the X3, a couple of the Beamers. Jeep's rolling in. This is gonna be really cool, and then we're gonna all go cruise down to the Supercar stadium. So this is gonna be really sick time. Welcome back to the vlog right here. This is gonna be such a sick day.
Are you ready for the cruise, bro?
Oh, it's gonna sound so good. I'm excited for you to hear this because you've never heard my car before.
Damn.
It's a machine gun, so let's get ready for that.
Bro.
But I think these two are gonna be some of the best sounding cars you're gonna hear today. Look at that pair. But we got this cool like iridescent GTR. So yeah, we're gonna load up in the cars and then let's get to the Supercar stadium. Oh, that sounds so good. I love that. So Shelby, make sure we're in sport mode. Right here, this is Sport Plus. You ready?
Ready.
Yeah, the cruise group kind of got separated a little bit. The highway is always crazy here in Utah, but still got the GT350 right behind me, Jeep in front. Just hopping our way through the neighborhoods. Oh, I love that so much. Such a menace to society with this car. Oh, it just pops non-stop. I love it. How'd those pops sound from the back?
It sounds really good, man.
Yeah? A lot louder than you think?
Yeah. I think he got it all on camera.
Yeah? The pop's crazy?
Really good.
Alright, we just got to the stadium. Had to go in, go check out the Supercars, but I feel like the parking lot has its own car show. Look at this 992 Turbo S right here. This thing is sick. Gold wheels. That looks so cool. We got cruise. We just cruised just over there. The highways are kind of crazy, so it's really hard to film. But yeah, we're gonna head into the stadium to check out all the Supercars. I can't really spend too much time here. Got other stuff going on tonight, but I'm gonna go check out all the Supercars for you. So let's go. Also, look at this 6x6 right here. Didn't even know this one pulled in. This thing is sick. Dude, how do you like that 6x6?
Bro,
This is cool.
do you prefer the Stratman or this one?
I like the green.
You like the green?
This is cool.
Bro, I like the green too.
Alright, just got to the stadium.
So they usually...
Already got a nice lineup right at the front. I8, Star Race. Got this place packed right now. Got the line Supercars all the way down. AMG GT right there. Tesla Roadster. Say, let's go walk in the parking lot for a minute and go see what cars we can find out there. Porsche went on. That Aston, I think, is Onyx Reynolds one. Local RS7. An F-Type. This McLaren is a really sick color. I'm really digging this 720. I feel like I've only ever seen them with like super flashy colors. So seeing it kind of in this gray, this is kind of nice. Our little squad that we rolled in with right here. Top back in the X3. I think, short and simple video, but I think it's going to call it a day. Supercar Stadium was really cool. Comment down below, what was your favorite car? Mine's probably the Ford GT. That's the only second time I've ever seen one, and I just love those things. But yeah, comment down below, what's your favorite? And thank you so much for watching again, and I hope I catch you in the next one. Peace.